And that's a beautiful one there. Coming in from Melody Frimpong. Yeah. You couldn't be in their friend about more. Yes. Somebody receive it. You couldn't be a friend about more. It's a YouTube.
I am an instrument of praise.
One year to me, I just say, wow, lie. You know what I'm saying? Good afternoon. If I want to say, check it out, mommy. No, me and Samba Ponsi made you some new 32 after 3. I Adom 106.3 FM, and it's Friday. We call it Freestyle Friday. Yeah. Na etatemwa. Kopim sebebo nyumenu siana ya sorry so. Your friend Jerry Justice. Papa Bill so African wa Jamestown Jeko so ha. And now also it's not just a asset. And you feel quite so. Na ene adwuma ofia na doso pa ba ye ba ni na correct. And try and copy 6 bebo no. Ye may be income. Ye be clear ni na. You know what I'm saying? It's yes semre cry no. I say it me call Facebook no so and videos of our time no. Boru amuntem na wa be hwe wani so ade on. Na fe ye wi a yede de aka ni na to aso wano sa na ye koye ni mu yo mu me bi Facebook no ma me na ye koye ni mu eti pacho Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. The trap video na tum says here, you need to come and see this video. What I say na down there na me see videos of our time now. Yeah, the bro no. And yes, videos near you keke videos we na esre kakra obetimi ahwe bi asre a you know ebi won so say etimi sua bi film ebi won so a say etimi ma yani da on e ahwe yi won e ma bi ho and that video na ye be yi a kire on e video bi a say utimi hwe na ofamu aba na o ma wani da ho o ye very careful pa e wa asetena mu because they say we are no said the name ka kono ya na ha dwen obi wa o ni papa o nenso say ya na hunhun bi na timi ko hye nipa bi mo mutimi act the way they act said then you hu ye it is sometimes when people with them count gidi o trust no just say trust issues ni ba bi ultimately say we dey o ni bi correct when people dey obetimi anya hoto so on so but who dey be ya prekope na face a onipa ko na nka wo gidi oni mu no prekope na wasesa afe na onu mom na akoye ade bi a anka otamfo pa na sese nko de sa ade ne ye o na so be ko hwe no onipa ko mom de akoye o brana be hwe video na ye nto aso nko ye nim but quickly young Kyle said the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats Basso Dende weekend and the first mini clinic no Shasewa Chimota Retail Center. It's your channel Saturday the 11th and our face Sunday the 12th of September 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. And yeah, this is so. Then you may do the second mini clinic no so Basso West Hills Mall on the 18th and then the 19th of September 2021. And also 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tiana Washington so am I me following on social media platforms out on now so with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. And for further inquiries now after 0546 908 19 and phone number 0246 908 179 and our fee 054 011 0389. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and also supported by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. Afe Durapla, manufacturers of high quality UPVC and HDPE pipes, fittings, rotational molded products, and a lot more. Remember, where Duraplast goes, water flows. DBS Industries Limited. We truly are your roof expert and our fair renters paradise. We help people and properties find each other. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair. Everything housing. Get it, bro. On san kan Puma drink na pacho man san kan this is here. Na yan kamom ni enko animu. Forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, be confident, be determined, and be joyful. Make sure you treat yourself with Puma drinks. A whole new vibe. Say a cola and I say orange. Just 1 cedi 50 pesos per. They are available at all major distribution and wholesale points across the country. The door panel phrase 0262 351 251. Another quality product if Casa Preco Company Limited. And Kratui FDM Mushimwaja to say, yeah. And then Yamawa Quenya say, Obey me, I share TV. Why enjoy your favorite programs, no? In 5 times clearer and brighter picture quality. Wabra connected with HD TV, no, to an HD plus decoder. Alternatively, say a Samsung UHD or QLED TV. The patcho wa connect my multi TV satellite dish na dada. Ubet me downloading my HD plus app no from the Samsung App Store. Now I enjoy TV viewing experience, papa. Make sure the Philly experience now. Samsung will bet me out an HD plus decoder from the nearest Electroland outlet and now multi TV dealer outlet. Bia, Omaya Fana baby. Nation to say every HD plus decoder bia betono. So activating our brow dial *879#. Now I follow prompt to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 months free subscription. Now say free trial period ni twemwa. Say o sign a boss *879#. Now or subscriber for either 1 week and now 1 month, 3 months, and now 12 months package. Yeah, and only has 7 CDs, 25 CDs, 60 CDs, and our 210 CDs respectively. Existing multi-TV decoder users need there. And we have some of us installing new satellite dish. That's what it is. Yeah, boy, Rem says here now. Yeah, the videos of our time, my bro. It's Unyamba and Pacho Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Boy, Rem says here. MTN Guswe is celebrating the 25th anniversary, you know. And they said to offer MTN a 25 mega promotion. They about just keep using your MTN number. Talk, test, browse, use your MTN app, no, pause app, no, any moment, no, they gain more points. Now, sweat me, one of the 25 brand new Hyundai Sonata, yeah, heavy one power, 2021 edition, card more de brutal. You phone says here, yeah, kase yeah, and dial *156# to begin your journey to win big. Only on MTN, everywhere you go. Se nyame ya wadom na onya sonata ne baako ewini a. Enkototo petro gugwa bia mfa ngum na wakunka na engine no tentem ya da bi. Togoil higher grade fuel. Papa. Tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years. Now, it is suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. What is our superior qualities in there to change? Go higher grade fuels, no? Yes, 45, no? With the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer, and make you more efficient, eco-friendly. Now you turn at no extra cost. Oh, Goil fuel station, be say a Goil Super XP on 95, and now Goil Diesel XP, papa, you know what I'm saying? Goil, good energy, Goil. Yeah, dear. Say normally wonderful. Na enena APM. Pacho normally available on all platforms. Today just key in Celestine Donko. Ubenya nyomono. And now open the video no swasha. And no Celestial TV on YouTube. Ubenya video na share nice video. Now, if you are wondering what to do with your Cerelac 410, 400 gram 10 now, the patrician one contracting, and also the man calling the agro debby. And they'll be to me out the new Cerelac Wheat 350 gram pouch, you know, make sure value pack, no. Now, what they are refilling a 10, no. Not just a swas and for so what is here. And on a very affordable, convenient. Now still B5, B6, B12, vitamin D, zinc, and a iodine. Nina is supporting normal cognitive function. Now saying Abwa promote optimum growth and development at the amount of Frano. Come on, cry. So go grab your value pack now at a retail shop near you. Cerelac, 350 gram. More for less. And no one no. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's jump into the brand new one from Celestine Donko. Only you. Yes. Beautiful song. For Akuma this annual echi. What if for Akuma di echisa? Let to be sa. Very simple. You can sing it, though it's new. That's right. Oh, Uncle Kane, what do you better say? What's your grandma? Come on. Listen. Come on. And you do it again. You done it before. And you I want my story. All that you done for me. Beautiful song. Celestine Donko. Only you. Afe yanko Facebook no so. When you YouTube no so, Facebook no so. Oh yeah. Now fe and the videos of our time yeah fan so. Young boy. I'll say Jerry, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon to you too. I'll say I see you. Me too. I don't see you, but I know you are there. Give to Cheba for I say good afternoon. Oh, give to you message in a call. Charlie, as soon as you start reading, Stephen Kofi Wayo or say, how are you doing? God bless you for joining Adom FM. And I feel Patrick or Parry answer. I'll say greetings, Brad Jerry. They watch Is it shouts to Linda, Ruth, and then Mafia from Opebia Fashion, Russia dance man. Okay, got it. And I feel so, Ma Sylvia, I'll say, Jerry, good afternoon. I hope you're doing great by his grace. Yes. Asantua Papa B said, hey, Brad Jerry, good afternoon. Watching you from Ashiye. Comforters here, do the Odi Asasa. Godfrey Blankson said, Jerry, we thank God for my life. I am watching you from Bremane Sukuma. Nice one, music. Nice music. No, Ransford Odum say Adom. No, I'll say Odifikofodia Betom. Listening to you live. Powerful Herbal Center. I'll say in fact the man has opened it going. Not just will be ready to go. I Atagri GH, I say thank God for adding me and my family to the selection today, but not like Blasters. Oh, they are Elizabeth will say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. I'm watching you live from Obey. I don't know. Pastor Mario. Or say a bit more Facebook name ni there. Yay! I can't say attach GH say. Mohammed Yusuf say all the way from Norway. I hope not also enjoy programming. Attach GH. It didn't heavy. Yeah, go ahead talk about it. And then Prophet Kobe Kessie Isaac, or say your Friday dressing be so simple. Not Friday here. The freestyles are there, you know what I'm saying? And Abigail America also say, Jerry, good afternoon and have a lovely day. Now, if you're not sure, Kwabena Kisi say, proper song. Good afternoon, Jerry. Yes, I normally be correct, but me fake. What I say. Rita, why you say yes? It's Friday. At the Pat Francisca say I'm watching you live from BBNE, and I feel yeah, twice only a quay and I'll say Deborah Sape. I say good afternoon. Please say hi to my mom. Esther Osabuti, I love her so much. I feel Olibo. Message in the graph. GH was a nice song. Stephen, I tell you, I say, Jerry, I am here somewhere. Great, you have it, man. And I feel Prophet Kobe Kessie once again. I'll say, Ochian, a lovely wife. I know. Message not here for you. Okay, a lovely wife, Mabel Adom Kessie. Good. And no has no. This is Roland from Achimota. Roland, I see you. And Miranda Abena Prissy. Also, good afternoon, Brad. Watching you live from Bitchley. And I feel Michael Lasse. And also say good afternoon, my boss Jerry. I salute you too. Also, you see, say I make Brad Jerry laugh safe. Pastor Mario, I'll tell you GH now. If you saw way. Doris Tubu, and also I say good afternoon. Agri Eunice, I say I'm watching you live from Italy, Palermo. Greetings going out to my husband, lawyer, Crew, hey, lawyer Crew. Have a blessed weekend. Say Dean had it there. Emmanuel, or say Wusu, I say I'm watching you live from Kumasi. Now face so. Kumasi Kokoso Ben AF4BM military barracks and I feel a Jabin Bright. I say Jerry, in fact, Celestine Donko is blessed. We a credible song. Okay. Bra Imaji say we did say wow. Menso Meshapa. In fact, messages in more. But baby Edri. I was your young fat videos of our time and twice. Jeko. Sir, BBR them wrong. Alright, it's food lovers rice. I am mubia a day pa. I just all they prepare any rice meal biana. Come on. You know them from plain rice to jollof rice, even crowd to angwamo rice. Now they prepare a koye come pa. You can food them all. Very easy to cook and it tastes great in every grain. Food lovers rice also made for better eating experience. They are available at our market baby. Aquatap water purification tablet. A self-dissolving tablet. Abusuya de tu nsuom. Na nsuo a enya wholesome, nsuo a enya potable. What the Aquatap water purification tablet bi tumu a. Ese sane hyebre. Eti microorganisms a wodo e wo nsuo no mu e betimi amoa konya waterborne diseases no. It will kill all of them. Said the beya onu abusua mo be free. Enko danche no your Aquatap food safe wo. Wako Aquatap fruits and vegetables abefie no. Share na one for ordinary water and wash on na man shase an consume. Use Aquatap food safe. Never wash on enkum germs ne bacteria bia wo bia ansa mo be di amodi. FDA I mu hwimu agya tum say eye. Pharmacies, chemical shops, supermarkets okwa obenya bi ho. One kind na pedo afre 020 907 7726. Kumasi phone phrase 050 169 4275. Now Feko Frudia for phrase 0244 593 381. Na ye din komo correct pa. Abusia bra Facebook na unyam ba ya behwe video no. Na men kasa ho nche. Medical catch you say esese yesua bibi e de film. And na video na ye de kire wo no. Eye video a efi alatamamu Nigeria asem na making. Na ehone ha de BBC ho a etimisi ha ebi etetete sansem ni bebre. House help for and someone mutimi kofa ba. Issues with omoni omama down for no masters ne ade ofie bebre. Se wiase aye hu. Obi wo ha ofiri abusua pam. Ya training ni ye ya tete ni ye nyamso kwan so. Enti ne hodwo. Onipa no ye kama boni bia ne ho de. Nanso bia na wo yefo bi wo tanfo bi a wo pe waye wade. Wa try all means onya ba bi mfanfa. No de akwa house help no so ana o maid no so. Afi ubete pa na de besiasi. Say etimi hwe ya setena mu ye. One, the people we live with. So ye maid, so ye house help, so ye wanna DB our person or the friend bia. How we treat them. Said the beya omu nya ye ho adwen boni bi. Na ochina bi obi mpo pesa o ye no the form so a wanyo mu kwan. Obi wo a obi one ne te no the way on you onipa ne relating said you treating it no na wa beya one of their own. Enti outside the big crap pese o polutu na adwen o bowura na adwen kra na ka o sewa onye da because onim say you see her as family. Eti ono so kabusua no. So they will never do anything that will hurt you. But I said in American, if you want more, or something to be a dream. But if you beat me, run a dream. Na fi wase sano obekɔhwɛ no na ade anka unsusu so obɛyɛ no na ɔde ayɛ ebinom so treating crofo mo ne ɔmo ti yie wohwɛ treatment ɔde ma house help no ofie hɔ a abusua ɔse bɛfem but awo hɔ ano wayɛ ne so cool ne ade a but ka ne house help na ɛna ho treatment enti the slightest chance and opportunity ɔno so benya no no person show abusua no brane behwe video yi abaiwa utimi se asukono ma bi kura onyi nru ba bia but the story has it say oye house help na efie na otimu no woye bibia anko yi e na omu twi nanim sa na story ne tre enti omu kasa nanim no ho yawo ene ho abufuo nti no abayo na kwa kofa product bi mimpese obi brand. I know that brand pa a very popular Nigeria but Ghana I shut down no so sa of the sa zone family no to say sa one zone mimpese me boba could be reading the account because I know you be brand just say I know dem pa say stains ba WC port muni ade kra na de gum ni ade how to say sometimes home ne pampan ne ko mu kura utimi say adna no hye ene be claim na obetwitwi mu na clear ba bia adware stains ababa ho ne ade tiles so e go clear everything ena buy one akofa bi ena aduane na omo prepare no say Nigeria for aduane de e bia te say eba na say ayi bi fufu bi na omo de ende we ni si nchen na stew na ana sauce no so won nchen ti wote ana de abebo sauce mu na wadi ena sauce na omo de be didi no abaywa no a mix it sa product no with the sauce product no so poisonous it will reduce cry a tro say consume and no they mix it sauce no e teacher say omo bedi a say omo wu atwanse kra e be yo no fon and say o chena say all this say so afi na da kra say to na ukọ it abofra no ne punishment or dem family no eno no and thankfully oh yes ade no CCTV e capture no and omo hu akiri say e dey no by way is she going to kill us or something to omo ya no so okay and omo ye din say hwinsi e enti we no omo ye aduane wan bibia wie na atan aso ese odidi no and omo ate aduane bi ni ma no and at the same source na wa poison no omo te di si nanim no omo so oni aduane no afi abayo ati aduane oh na 5 minutes aba ultimate TB niye na 10 aba ultimate TB niye what the sad je ko for video no to so na fi ento so from there the patrol wa bra na be hwe video no na be hwe how ade no esie kofa yen hwe ye hu yi ye ma yani na ho power yen fiefia hodum especially yen ya won krofo ne omote as house help made for ne ade no bi akofa na betra ho chen obi okro ye obusuani akofa na fi okura bi ase na de na ba yema yani nkosa afo no yi na yen hwe yen so yasetram se de yen on betna na omo beye kama na ochina bi no omo anya ho adwenboni bi anka so omo de befa kwan bo no so abayo na eto na aduan de sinenu mo amo Facebook no mo hwe eti source no na won chen na aye court se emfa nsa benkwan bi no ena ba kono se eye bawo se kokuntew se den ena no so ewo other side one and almost only aduane no see there you've not eaten. This is the food that we all eating. Eat now abofranto afi ote ada one na nekita na omwamwan sa akase ode be boss sauce no adi because ono anim se sauce no de odipe over into what you want me ni aduane no wa ya omo afoso na oso ni aduane no eno adeti na oni oso dabi ono ano pese obi no okay sa on pese obi di aduane no ene de enti a on pese obi di aduane se o ka kire wan kan kire de a yen aye ko police station ya kwa free police for ama police abefo akọ etu omo de ho no born entrene kakra na no ansana bai wan gi tumu se de enti a on pese obi di aduane no de wa yindi e ho apena obunkutobi no pa acho eno koyi product na America no he ɛna wɔ sash mu ne ekura no mo amunim de munim sa product me mpɛsɛ me bodin no ɛyɛ obi brand ɛna wakɔfa de aba no sɛ wei ɛna ɔde mix sauce no ɛno nti na ɔmpɛsɛ obedi no because osuro so odi obewu na ɔpɔm kyɛw ɔmfa ne bɔ ne nkyɛn no ne kotodwe ne gu fam na wakoto no ɛwɔ aduane nam ti hwɛ papa no yere ne ne ma hwɛ ne ma nketenkete na gyina wɔn tie anka nkɔla yi bedi aduane yi a hwɛ ne ma no maba wa fresh kama kyesɛ nka umonyo na de besi awie ne pacho videos of our time da bia me ka wo me se nyɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ videos ne kɛkɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtimi sua biribi film na yɛde hwɛhwɛ madam na abɛsia fa akyire hɔ no papa ne yere no ɛna bɛsia fa akyire hɔ sisi ya no ɛna ta wo bonu mu watwam no ne ma 2 girls no so ne gyina hɔ no a kyɛ sɛ anka ɔhye fie o ko ɔhye mo ase because omo kodi ade we ya say omo anwu immediately kura ade we ya ko mu no you will not know because say na such product no ye tro ho say e harmful and say o consume na in a situation where e bi be ka wano no immediately so timi rush to the hospital na o kwa o di label no so kono mu say ade we nti say be ma doctors na hu kwan de be fast but in this case they won't know, they will never know say ade we and to be down no more what did you eat and then near the zoo near by the time they realize that they poison ade no na ase wo yemu niam awie product in the kitchen na wabunku to patch on now she is begging them so pomocho omon the bone in channel no nye biem this is it and we as na one no no bibia betimi asi. So let us be careful. Me patch out video no tag you be share with your friend be catch and so no soon be. No fun to know for especially those who are living with other people as house helps. Our mobile. Share how we treat those people, how we handle situations. BBC between on your house helper. Kwan be na fa so kananim, kwan be na fa so siesie asem no. No chinanko. Wan konya ho adwen boni bi because obi on ne tia ohunu bi bia mu de. Jo the oben won no ka so be pra betimi do afa konia sa nyina so yenye very 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 careful yenye very 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 careful me do see HLP and the videos of our time at the bro no no me gidi ye say lesson bi e wo mu ye say wo fa no wa fa awie nyame hu ye mobo no nkan ho na toda ya na e hadwen Kel Kids toothpaste Papa Samara Company Limited akofa ediaba. Eya correct. Pebi. Fetchi mo franisen. From 2 to 6 years ago no. Omo de ano no. Ye the strawberry awo no. Eti omo di twi omo se a. Omo akra na eya omo de se dan de nyina no. Obekọ so a e de atwi won sesa na ade a. What I say. Ne bon so nye den. Eya available at town be bia. Omo de akopro de. Na fama mo fra no mo fantwi omo se. E ma omo gam no very strong protecting power. Now a preventive cavity. And mom was strong and healthy. The banner freshness there all day. Kel Kids was a happy smile. Pan-African Savings and Loans so NNA was a titusu promo so koswa till the end of September 2021. It take advantage of the reduced rate never grow business and they will be just in China. In Simuan Kabetri and Yatisu say yeah the above phone call. Sebeya also bet me. Your Greater Accra, Eastern, Central, Ashanti, and half regions na emu. Frey and Echen baby awo. Na yen show your branch your ben opa. Ne brand any your business. 057 555 7777. That's 057 555 777. Choose Pan African. Choose greater strength. Afe Dominion about powder. Your number 1 immune booster. And also you can for the amount. My immune system no nyane den normalize your blood pressure no kidney heart related problems in clear free diabetes stroke we adwuma keto bia na ho ya ni nyina no ene kura de amanfo dance di omde ba no de omo ankasa nkan kura se duru ntimi no amanfo omo no amano bi na se ni na so ayamo na che se duru no edi dwuma pa wo so ya no powder teaspoon asabi agun so him wo kanum na yese ya adwa na wanom anwumre we repeat the same thing vim ne beba Nana Boachi Herbal, Hallows Herbal, King's Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop, Tema Community 5, Repart Ventures, Hunna, OGB Hall, Fre, Angels Dominion About Center Mon Coco, it was 0543 158 195 afei 020 429 6449 na dodo bia onye bia na yemfa somo Dominion Herbal Powder, your number one immune booster. Afei floral disposable handkerchief. Abusuya emfa normal cloth handkerchief na show bottom sa na bibia na de pepa no asan de ashum no de pepa na de ashum na fe germs ne ade bacteria all the nam sa there be use floral disposable handkerchief o pepa we ya no disposing of tembia na ho ate neat kama pa. Also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, and then floral box tissues in a shop near you. Shenso say we a product fee Delta Paper Mill Limited. Open the door phrase 0243 033 033. Na ya joso na onso de onhiano onsa etimi akana kama pa. Ya kwa ya nimu. And now Friday BBA Timisi on the show. You know what I'm saying? And she be a better somewhere edit your own phone. That's right. Where Mama Bridget, Prophetess Bridget Osu, Onyamenchen, and one year better than as I said, we are here. Open by before Tradia and Walla. Jerry, please, a happy birthday and come out, my sweet sister Evelyn Akom Jinwa of Aguna Inkum with your Ochre Aguna Inkum Jane. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish my nephew Julian Maffo of Sweden. Where Sweden? In the UK. Happy birthday for me. He's 9 years old today. From the sister Joyce, Sofumame, and our face so Julian almost wish you happy birthday. I mean, count on your case here. Yoguswa ya kwa anymore. UT 106.3 Adom FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Happy birthday going out to Richard, aka Apisculi. Or a member of the DL Die Hard Fan Club. May God bless you. Enjoy your birthday from Obria boyfriend and friend. Isaac Dankwa Shaman Zeni was Jerry. Thank God it's Friday. Greetings going out to my dad, Mr. Daniel Dankwa, and also Tilly Trent. And a happy birthday also going out to Irene Ejay, also known as Sikatel. Or Asin in Suta SHS. Wishing you God's blessings, wisdom, good health, long life, and prosperity from Ohima Decoder. Happy birthday also going out to my sweetheart, Jerry. Okay. So happy birthday to my sweetheart Jerry Eduzi Ativo, you are 8 years old today. May Almighty God bless your new age and give you more wisdom, more life and prosperity. We love you. It's your happy day, so go on and enjoy it. School is Santa Maria LCAL class. I hope I got it right. From the mother Mary Avi Ativo and the entire family. Hey, special greetings going out to you. Sweet baby girl. I go him out. Handy baby. That is it. My feel brutal. I do believe so here. Now, and then I am a couple back on the birthday. Your friend Abuga Pele of DVL Tema. Happy birthday to you, boss. On no for OfieKwanso grow, especially I get it. Abuga Pele. What's that guy? What's that baby? Boss Nyami show. Now on Tung Kwandem. Omye bi kwa kese ma omo mpomden omo nyinche yo don sabeka bi omo yensha ewo Yesu dim bitu chama we wi Abuga Pele DVL Tema na chani bi son koma Felix Felix no Minche, a junior minche, na met nada. Sunday 9 day no and your ben is Freestyle Friday BBA to me see Eltino sa na ye surprise Entiana as somewhere did to your phone ye G Eddie Fee says Scott and chain na fe we are ye day a year around the world in 5 minutes with Scott Atwaso by kind kids Bright Garlic Plus capsules Afe MTN and a door master and Pubiman Pin Depot Ghana for Ayecrado Sabri yes says Scott also me check across oh man is saying okay and then me check across for me first sponsors not the new form not just all from putting it together says God. Okay, you're great. It's another seminar. You do 2 for you, so.
Yo, Brajer, and there are someone me pese ubia editing home for any. As someone can say, ubi biarenti, don't be afraid to start all over again.
Okay.
Just remember, said this time you are not starting from the scratch, but you are starting from where you failed. eto de bia na obi wo ho na o feel say intim pempen so ama build the relationship ya kwa kodi mi jai eto de bia wo ye wa adwen say wo ba be force no it may lead to something a wo nyan kwampo na wo dia fight internet de bia abrabo na ye ebo no sometimes you need to start all over again. But remember, I said this one, you are not starting from the scratch, and moreover, you are starting with experience.
Yes, the experience from the field one.
Field one.
Yes.
It's about Buama, even you that I didn't see when you saw I was saying starting. A bema with me, I now why any year. And if you
got it, you got
Ghana
it.
For Emfa we enter Mkotobi. But that's a brother.
Why are you money now, Joe? I was just Scott near Tenin Cano. Etienne, as somewhere the tree on for and or the mine. The Mosika, some from there, or more boy, and my intimidate as a bright garlic plus capsule. Yes, we if a Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. When I will introduce you bright garlic plus capsules, and they are by no a boy ma improve a blood circulation. Na a boost your appetite. Na for immune system no so no etimi am agina ye. Na asan a check your cholesterol level no a control no. What you say? Oh, blood pressure na feel sugar levels no ndey ye so a ebe ka to din the amount kama pa. Sanso and a wire coffee bright soja capsules there but now what soja capsules there. Na assume say ha. Ene na obe gina brane. Ya chese we no. Wow libido naira. Obe the number. Sexual weakness. Usisi mu agoni ade. Oh, low sperm count on so. Bright soja capsules. Any soja yay no gina na so. When I say no. Oh, pedodo pa dia. Cockings walk herbal or kanshi. Hallows herbal. And also a kanshi afi Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Oko Abenyabi, Tribe of Judah, Kaswa, and Atenata Teba across the country, baby, I'm more fun of baby. Oko on Sabe Kabio, and I'll bet me so afraid na on so dear now here on Saka 0243 983 906, and I'll say 0261 651 898. Your first day, on my MTN. It's been 25 amazing years with you, and to celebrate this huge milestone, MTN is giving away 25 of the 2021 brand new sleek Hyundai Sonata and now Peninsula Hyundai Sonata. What I say? Yes, and there are lots of exciting cash prizes and also bet me we need our MTN at 25 mega promotional emo. If you found Jimmy Joe, also use MTN number no for casa, for test, for browsing. Use MTN app no, pause app no. What I say? Nothing mumu no. Use and gain more points. Now also bet me and your car move back quickly. They are Judean, they are. Dial *156# and begin your journey to win big only on MTN. Everywhere you go. But terms and conditions account here, no so mama why. Your first day on my door master and Puma Paint Depot. Abusia Ayetiawa, oh, but no about enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. As Shannon said, your Aprunwa Hobo Baby. Exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, bathroom doors, glass doors, flash doors. Nina are available. Price also double haul. Or buy and painter from where your partner with News Paint. Now she shared the go up no say. Schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, any real estate developers. Yes, Mombra now make paint. I will be here. They are painting more than I hold on. How are you in chain? Now, more Fanco painting. No face, Sicano. Yen spread the mouth, not moon trian and kakranka crow, bra, yen for interest, beer and to so Emma Mo. Umpery, a dear beam now pay. Obana betray big mix machine now. We mix over 10,000 colors, delivering with precision your color preference. Accra Kumasi Highway, so Pubiman, a 1 year old. So, would you not Pubiman to booth when you try and shop no? A bay and cow dear fray 0542 745 222 and I'll pay 050 021 2447. You best sort it one time. I was going to set it. Set your day around the world in 5 minutes at 12. So I will feel quite media so. Yeah, see what. Say and rananka me yamana see what one abu akamuno. Say na me am wafase alia ono London and na obutu. Timishase no kasa happen of friend mam no mommy. Today uncle didn't say what. And I'm see say na says go to Ken. Say na me am wafase ono so try. So Alia, if you are listening to me, say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say wawa. Say
Nyame Adom dia Kenny.
Nice one. Balance need the workers will be the HDA.
Obi be say me can be achapa.
And say pardon. And you balance no. Me nim the entire this is only your fancy. The balance are something there.
Can there be no do dia kuma so bebo ha unti.
Oh, there be one bebo me anko bo am na. And yet say see ya me be can never. When
you one kasa three when
na say when him say
when besi dey you.
Oh, but I say when you when be near there but
it is well. It is well. It is
fine.
Gradually.
Yeah.
I feel no beat here. I feel no being so abagana.
Yes, it man akwaba.
Yes, it me man akwaba.
Yeah.
Gradually, welcome to Africa. Whereby Emrantia ewo kromuha. They will never get married to a single mom. But they will travel outside and get married to their grandmothers. Welcome. You are welcome.
I feel the memory of bedroom no more.
You are welcome. Catch your man, mommy. Say, red lipstick goes with white teeth. Vodafone has no issue with MTN.
Okay. That's so many.
Brother,
it's not as
what do you want?
I Daddy Opan can you be? Or say, there, or say, I they like your teeth because my favorite color be yellow. Oh, do I really? I'm going to say, come carry me.
And I'm kind of simple. No, and I'm kind of simple.
I got you. Okay, you.
Brother, be confident. I want the awuye BM. But me pese Ghana for nyina dia de wetum tim. Ni awuwo bia no ma wani so. Brother tio ma wani dia awuwo bia no ma wani so. Esan say oba baako ne nipple is another woman's full breast. And also mean chidem. Mean chidem. Brother mean be same.
We glad I mean go. Mean if I chop you from here.
Mean chidem. Dear Tini. So we are Bema Nasa ya kase. You are good in bed. it doesn't make you a responsible man.
Ose.
Me say, say we a bema, na catch you say you are good in bed. It doesn't make you responsible. What makes you responsible is accepting your responsibility after going to bed with the person.
Okay.
Into Ghana from Fantu. My sister, Brother maintain tia. Oba akoto expensive wig. Edia she a tria a fairly mathematics. I don't understand. Yes.
Bra.
Yeah.
A woman said, "Be a casa when be sure, but really do it."
A tria a fairly mathematics. What expensive wig? Edia she.
Baby, you think going on to tata now that.
Men casa. In penifo say ye bu ne be. Yen kana sem. Daddy, my man found go na menga say me wo nchero. Unim say since March 2020.
Yeah.
Togo for mobile there's no more years though.
Sir.
Me na me catch.
And I say went you from there.
Mosque and the churches. Omatum. Me no ka sembre.
Wow.
Yes. COVID-19 as a man home needs to be. A copy I from National Environmental Management. Sisi an omo hwe. Yes, our fuel companies. Omo bana baby a was set fuel station no. Enya papa. E wana Vamut. Omo yes I we need because omo di aba betu ja omo say ne kre men kan kire Ghana for say ene wiase afeni nyina. Say a kwan a wan efa so. Esisi omo fuel stations no. And say emfata hadwene Bradley mama nko Nigeria na me fancy.
Okay.
TB Joshua the late prophet TB Joshua and wife and the Federal High Court in Nigeria appointed say ono and a trustee at the Synagogue Church of All Nations. Yes. That is the information.
Okay.
Bradley media see.
All right.
Mediasi. Wouldn't say, Africa hango and a brother will back up peduma. What do best certificate back home? Who do CV? Who do be about you back home? Yes, still. Nipana or yo interview baby said, tell me more about yourself.
About you, using Nana over paper.
I guess you know Pepesi. A Krumu Angwana be whose idea. A Krumu Angwana. Abrochile we yes ye Ghana fundi enye obia o shehuism not just an Italian from the top abesini down a cover and nasi na chese or you born again Christian bravery. Some people wear it to cover their stretch marks.
O say
me na me catch it.
Mantiu.
Mana ube uno mashe Italia tin enye so mo you born again Christians o bravery. Some of them wear it to cover their stretch marks. Sounds like catching them and say, you cannot like fat girls and hate stretch marks. You must like them both. Brother, you know your partner is very ugly. When time also say what the neck kwacha obusuafo now the nature movie a o ma me o papa we obusuafo show ba nim so far as you are happy
and I don't know
that say any man ko yi me dey add say Scott in sugar I say Scott underscore official Ghana phone dey I say underscore Scott underscore official. Okwa chimoda ye fake krobi KJB brother. Na just me no me kan.
Ubejebi.
Na bejebi. French ni mega just say Jevel.
Capel.
Na just brother me no me no yateta say dem kra.
Ombebo. Ombenyabo.
Makagana phone.
Alrighty. So that was around the world in 5 minutes with Sir Scott. Alrighty. I didn't wear it. Na me dai tawa ha a che se me ne ba ba twetwe nkomo kakra na ya hwe 102 won se na se adwumadi so nkonko so radio no TV no so na ahomeka wo mu pa ya be ka ho asem and Kramen said can see from Rahel or say taxi. Yeah, echo Dowenya. Na driver no otie OfieKwanso sisia chese wabiemu ye pa. Na wentimi enya ni details na man na chese driver no ezo o share blue shirt check shirt bi ni ade atumi ze. Ono wo fili show na ade yo ye tu chem hawa. Tu chem. Oh my. Now, and also a Dickness Christiana Anson of the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1. Oh no, and then the birthday on a women's leader, Edema, a Tema Community 1, Church of Pentecost. And Dickness Christiana Anson, happy birthday to you, and may God bless you. Young corner said of the can't no. My boss about becoming sa I was studio ana Emma Pique Aquaba Nafi and they do mediation qua air cost to teach a mouth for can they come on some near Diana.
Yay, Jerry
Aquaba.
Yeah, Ubiadi.
Now, important to say.
Adom.
Okay. So the big talent show.
Yeah.
Air cost then they are just a mouth for can they come on somewhere our Adom TV show. And then you are better. My young now by now, but your ever say that
size 2 descado.
Oh, say
size 2 descado.
Okay, boss. You may just a wow, you know that. But me never want to us now. Oh, she said the guy in the 10 you naturally cried out to me.
Easy,
cry, never tell. And Chairman. Now, also what to say?
But on Yamiado.
So there's a man. Wow, Anna. Okay, come.
Auntie, and your woman said, baby, a few months ago, me baha and me beka say, yeah, she said you my dear Ahudoa, Adom TV, ya deba. Na ya starti bi, o share ya telenovelas idea basi siana, and you may not just say ya pompi gum kakra fine. Say the bear your audiences no, ya chef no. Omoni beji esanse ni omo peno na yeye amom na enu akire no so no ye hwese nia enia massive f5 corner na se ye bibia unique bibia songo kran esanse wo hwe TV so a niema ye na ye no ya the same bisa
yeah
say once same a na ye say wo ya the same sa every time
yeah
intino se na ya pesetesi e wo mo na de bi fufu aba na ye de abebom na che say aboa nti dwumadie we the big talent show dwumadie bi a ye de boa ye nuanom a omo ye little people
okay
esan say ye to ye ni a ya dwumadie bebre e wo TV so
little man for you
little people yi oh dwumadie ya bebre ya nwum to ya dancing ya just different programs
sure
now so e bi share the opportunity say ye can say ye de nuanom little people no e na ye de omo ba omo kwa na omo ye omo ade
yeah
enti ye hwa na si dabi moma ye ndi kan na ye nye bibi esan so hwa sini mu obehu ebinom wo mu
yeah
dodo na obehu wo sini mu but any other program bia yes won ko de
you don't see
na
them.
say you don't see them
yeah
enti adebenti na ye nye bibi sa enti ye keka ne ma bom 1990 Kumasi 1990 mia sa na ehun say ese ye e me na so say ye enti the big talent show eye dwumedi a all talents
okay
inti no ebinum enim nyumto ebinum enim asa ebinum acrobatic displayers ebinum presenters awum ya commentary by team in China say ebinum so actors
okay
and ebinum so comedians inti no all talents coming together obia na odi aba
okay
na ye call auditions ne so no omuji awa 2 kuma se 4 year omudie kama and Kranso ye omudie kama sesi ade ya select 12 contestants a ye de omo ebedi dwuma no
oh okay
12 contestants no ye wo commentators wo ye wo commentators no be ye sports e be ye any other area of commentary and a genre ye wo singers wo ye wo dancers wo ye wo acrobatic displayers wo and some actors wo into no talent in de ahodo bebre sisi abebi edu no ye boa mo ano kakra training mo ye groomers wo Kumasi for dancers and for other talents singers Accra so ba Accra the same thing ye groomers ye actors omo groomers comedians ye omo groomers ye dancers omo groomers and singers ye omo groomers nti apa nkrofo a ombe boa mo talent no edimu se na be ya omba stage no mo ye show na the whole world and we say Ghana ha ye talents the little people nti basically no baby are you draw no the big talent show yes say want to mean take mantimo the big talent show
want to mean take
the big talent show
want to mean take
the big talent show
want to mean take
good okay it is you betimi attack you yetimi attack you wo so wo ye dey wo ma commentary
me dey general me ye bia bi
that wo ye dey general all round okay it is here then na betimi amai sisi here amafo bo zampa wani abrepa
Tesiano, I go for Manu Sumaya the year, papa. What me send me for sure? Messi, what say ye? What say ye? Bonkum so, what say ye? But I go on from. I won't say never quit me head here. What you may come Kruano. Like to see a Sante Kotoko. I will go keep on the message. Someone Marino said, yeah, I mean to me who went to me Lafako. So I come to Nayati in his you. I just will be Uncle Coco Bisano. Message. Now why do you papa and channel Rancia your friend Mount Pro the 5 minutes no idea in Abubacho young Kwaba come here what body listen and peer and now call Asante Kotoko I'm Kumasi and the buy yes I will match the greatest of folk and home they say about the umber to match in Chima of folk and Kuana and Tina I grown up from and a young Kwaba come here and say in trouble
with the best
say Yana Bacon. You're not Busacon.
Also say I also am I day.
Media comedy acting.
Okay, it all the acting. It in that case no say wo ba stage and the omo no be mo bibi say act na one na be cha de kwa be so be act on
won say mia na me di bibi beba
won na di bibi beba
mia na me di bibi beba
okay we enye TV so but say wo unti fancy work okay yes chemistry kaka just obey now
acting the actions neko
na say wo gira wo tri wo size the same way here
wakosoro kaka
okay wakosoro kaka
why
mama meji tintin wa chiye wa abisran baby bu say ya okay go
ebusuafo se na munim no nka wo se me doctor na wo se nka o mbegina ha se enso bibi nti wontumi amba wonya aba manye kakra nti na wasoma me nesta poli se me fam be fa dwumadie yem na me ye nesa me sremo mama hwe me wedie ne matade ye hwe me embu me abonfia efi se edwuma yi ebamu abakosem ni ehunim dedia makoma ni mebre na omo ma fami nsem ewuwu de ya me Adom makoma ni me papa minim se ansa na ye be wie dwumadie na nyame ama nensa so afa me so ama Ghana population eso ate
na diwe waru be sise na mo abo aku anyway di sana ajenete ana wabomodin atena o TV no na wonso atimi ahu de ekoso e ya Adom TV so the big talent show na boss ne kwakwa mu ansa na ekopike time near saying days no near the na said the baby obi wa onim said the adwumadi na si kofa na ono so enya no entiase
enti no the big talent show ya de beba kwesi ada bia nwumre kwesi ada nwumre 8:30
okay
and I de be hyehyɛ so
okay
enche bia ya de data yes shase no ya ba betu dwa obviously no by the end of the month there na ya da hyehyɛ so e wo Ghana ha enti no obiara o tiemi biara emboabo no ho say Sundays there e ball enwumre fi ye news na ekosa na say otino TV aha na ohwe ne ba na enya agrokra
Okay.
Serious talent ankasa. And I better need.
Okay. All right. Every month, some of best friend anyway. OfieKwanso media so. And we will make a date. Need do a say the ABC Aquafa. Fine.
Mefa akonya suna we de mada nkrofo bi ase.
Okay.
Your partners are omo boy amadwumadie akoso. Darling lemon drink.
Okay.
Omo aso no mo ye jume ensambia your friend no ye jesu boswe.
Bobo.
Bobo. Ye jesu boswe. Omo no mo ye partners.
Okay.
I no mo ye dwumadie. And afa so no supporters are omo abeka ama dwumadie ekoso. Baako 21st clinic. No me sciatica experts. You can sciatica experts. You can say darling lemon. We say taste it, feel it. Antino. You don't must pa. Omo ba no so. You show money. Omo be kan ona. You fa juma dey so. Sure. That's it.
Yes, we that's it pa. Alright, abusua here twice ugusu tie Adom 106.3 FM. Mema referee say ne Obasi ma chede no ye de bro. You be activate phone lines no. Na utie yi a o a chede bebre a betimi dia coffee. Hundreds of chest freezers, food processors, so microwave ovens, and lots and lots of food products. Obasi ma seal no ho. Ye ni na shell. And once or better about you, so answer very, very simple questions. Now, what you watch it? And Jane, I don't know. Now, me pacho, TSRDU, me post to be about, say, like almost like 2 hours ago on Instagram. Now, I'm out for the drink, but me person also, what do I drink about? Also, say, who is at fault? Me pacho to you. Now the ATM American is saying, sometimes I am not for reading idea. I mean, because Obia can make a comment be say, how can you marry someone without knowing she has a twin sister? Me pacho, and yes, Papa no unim send the wife a twin sister, and the wife no enter for. Tia story no, or say, a man returned from work at night and head straight into his bedroom. As usual, not just ultimately or no, if you do the oil, no. And then went ahead to make love to the wife. Now, after having, making love to the wife, he went to the kitchen to fetch himself a bottle of cold drink, only to find the wife there looking for something in the fridge. And I was like, how? Se see yeah the way ban say na quickly want to be through kitchen ahead me. And then the wife said what so the wife no was sure no say we made love. And I was but no so no and I was no it's my twin sister and on that bed no so hold na se see na ofi akwantu mbedu ye na obedu ye na wa bread do na me yes nko on rest o ye dem o. Afi papa ni gina we enti e ho apena ne wife no ebisa ne sister and say but wonso so eba ne say ena me kunu ba ya obeto show so no ya de wan ka hwe ena ne twin sister ne ka che say but you have you forgotten you know say me and your husband we still know they talk oni ni kunu no enkasa ni sister ni kunu oni ni nkasa. What I say? You say, or your mom so much or 3 months no ding. On an incasa. It's be man buy or better to send us no bear have business now there. What that one? The joke movie. And the business say, who is at fault? A minimum kikasa bear man and send who difference. But almost enter for a man you almost a pa. A minimum so cast and they read there. Like as it starts, they do the thing like for see difference. And the Binimu said, no, it is the fault of the wife because Oba wife for there and pa when you ukun da so there. A see there na ukun near around that. Na o twin sister ba uti mo koda sa bed no so. And two man koda so ye den. So people are blaming the wife. E Binimu so blame eye ne twin sister na oba no. OfieKwanso mu aba no. Say ono so no e wo mu say woni wo sister ni kunu enkasa mo ya aka de But sex matter there. What about no be doing? Hey, this is not your wife. Where? Why it means that is because on the link. What man fire? You can also share your thoughts with us. Me story in fan to how in Facebook, but we bet me at your and our story like as I'm media to Instagram page. At Jerry Justice on Instagram. That's JERRYJUSTICE. You can read the story over there. Now, what share also opinion on it? Now I say who is at fault. Cecilia on Facebook, Yerepa Ama Ukubia Boache. Or say it's the wife who is at fault. How can you make your sister sleep in your matrimonial bed? ASMP. It was a fire drink, Shabra. Now you trust the aquarium.
Honey. It's office Unkuana when him Aquataps full safe and I tell Nini about would dinner de piano. Aquatap full safe, and I'm a door home. I send away you.
Almost also Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, Omode Ebulumunsu, Efomunsu, Surunsu, any sia, and one tea, a dear one da deduma, Emfa or Haubia Embre. Osanko de Yusud Mapumudin so in here yepa. And on Tinamato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet made the paper surfaces beer, Emma and Hote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you feel Aquatabs Abama Mose, and Beijing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquatabs were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Kratui Atum.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now, we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer, so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio. Share.
Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is chance. Yes, me use Bright Garlic Plus. No, men sanity Ninano, Meniswa Chimmy, and Menuma Tunino, a giant winning now, dear Simi.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Obama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jimasem Quina.
Hey,
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and the Herbal Shop will be a Mukajo Bright Soldier and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wunungwa Dogon, last stop, SA Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic capsules. And you drew that FDA. I should just say a gradient cratui a jatum say.
Gino Magic Pepper on a tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abbing, and everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Ago class. Mental. Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu na.
Mienu eni enum.
Sona
Efie di nunum aye ne mo atena ewo edigi mu ni. Osa British ya yi di mu no. Ye che Hyundai Sonata mono chia baako edunum. Eni sika chedi bebre ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa MTN no mane frɛ wadofo no. Na kasa fa text fa browsing. Fa isika ne fa send sika ewo momo no so emprepi enum na wo benya points a. Wo betimi di Hyundai Sonata edunum a eye mono chia no baako. Eni sika chedi pi. Boso media ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Star 156 eni ya. Na se wakwetu a wodi bedi achege kesi bi ase ewo MTN nkwaso everywhere you go.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium wom na ne gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Hollandia no paye da. Asinyo. Quality security door in a new space. Why you affordably? What will be man paint depot? And the door master. Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see four contracted. When you road marking paint. What will be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara. Say why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. You see if you was asking me how would then here. Put the man paint depot. I must stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. So what Accra Kumasi Highway. Put the man to
Samisoria no pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence. The money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifit guso na mesrea. Eya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure se amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magical Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me issue na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso. Enti bi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden. Ne sayi nka bia. Ma wanum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nkrato ya tomo.
Boys number.
Share. Why you know that say ubet me invite players be to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them. What you know that say ubet me nyatinka e won you big games no e won them. Onia, what you say ube enjoy home ground advantage. El Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues se kuku them you know bro fum e won them. Ana Jajeno for 89 Ghana cedis called you Go TV decoder. Any year na upgrade called Go TV Max. Ma ufie and yes football hifian kasa. So person to new decoder. Test Go TV call short code 1731. Go TV, love it.
Trauma from day one.
Many heartaches.
Did you really think that you could keep your new wife a secret for the rest of our lives?
Many headaches. 3 friends. To have and to hold, a brand new Ghanaian series exclusive to Aquaba Magic, channel 150 on DSTV every Monday and Tuesday. Get a fully installed DSTV for only 169 Ghana cedis with a month's access subscription and upgrade to the Compact Plus bouquet with 70 Ghana cedis. Aquaba Magic, welcome home, only on DSTV.
Charlie, Nancy Abrabui insisi susukra. Nipa sorry no pa. Oba no homodin sa, but still you know the fa. Of late, said the amount for winning star 959 hash. Mobile Lotto no. Some of them want shemwa. Unia la woo. Isa say, miti hey, if you have a bar prepaid, mia. Only on so the tiana no say, ne bana dane papa. Intine sorting no, mia. Boys also doing say abesheme, intin sano, mia. Mini abaki to also doing me bomba. Intine credit no, mia. Say one so when je jam you, intadi shemu, ni trini, and the fingernails na, mia. Sports bets so, emfa, adenya. Sema you.
Boga, make them not tell you. How dear? Instant though. Nye here and say you just for make more money. Dial *959# and now call 590mobile.com.gh. Not to be. Once you would dear no bet to me as 590 mobile. Down some.
OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3
Hello, baby. You looking so cute from a distance. You don't wanna be a hindrance. My baby, could you give me the one chance?
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
And I want to make you mine, smile bright like stars, Brazilian. La 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 la, got me singing la 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 la. Got me dancing go ga go go ga ga go ga. Got me singing la 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 la. Got me dancing go ga go go ga ga go ga. Hey yo, what do you want to dance? To my mama for instance. I'm going to be dinner me with big plans. I will love you in good and the bad times. But you may home come on up if I want to die. Can you have a pen and me yeah? Show by see me with you. See me are in here. I throw you by a crab and show. Baba in here. Throw it too much yo. Baba in here. Throw it too much yo. Baba in here. Baby oh. Baba in here. Got me singing la 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 la. Got me dancing go ga go go ga ga go ga. Got me singing la 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 la. Got me dancing go ga go go ga ga go ga. My heart is just aching and beating for you, and I promise to be there. My loving is true. You my baby, my angel. I call you my boo, my baby. What else? I lift up my head and I look up to Jah to protect you and keep you as cute as you are. You didn't make out the color, I swear say you drive me crazy. My shushe muna misi him Ufata makoma bejina family. Sina go to me mama what done it to man. Yaba go from my yaton and yameche. Fiti pami bo udia just so high baby. Mene wa bure paint ya kai baby. Oka bibi kevin ase ni refia. Utu mi won ase pabu wa tai mechi. Odonti se mi ukura me fana sa. Utu mi wa de so abbo me pa. Onanti ya kona baby ni mo bibi ni mi chocho mu ocho. Onye sika ba to me mama ke mo so keep from every stand. You know what I mean?
When I know how you feel, I go be big pass pose. Me and my boys for cockpit, sipping on some movie.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
If you do, and you baby, I could say you bottom, you get them scolum, or sweet on up, yet a solo. I could say you bottom, you get them scolum, or sweet on up, yet a solo. I could say you bottom, you get them scolum, or sweet on up, yet a solo. I could say you bottom, you get them scolum, or sweet on up, yet a solo.
Salute to me, I no go compelling. You hard like I'm
In fact, I'm on 5 minutes or more for issue with the annual show. Boachi Joseph said this is so serious. Christiana Ama also no, it's the wife. Why? How can you let your sister sleep on your matrimonial bed? And didn't inform your husband that your sister was at home? And at the end, the entire ultimate blame be money be say, usual practice. If you dream about nights now, obedu yana pena straight to the bedroom and then fire. Into you ban crown himself who kruba na dre den obe fire. Our bro nimzo sister so da. Mary, I say I think it's the wife's fault. And now friends, so Mami Jessiwa messages we are making now from Facebook. I say I blame both. Don't let anybody on your bed. And visitor, the visited twin too should have avoided it. Also on him, now we will be on the aka 2 minutes but Utimane Jennifer Edufo. I say, oh God have mercy on us. So Faustina for the I hope I got your name right. I say Jerry, the wife is our fault. Yeah, trust me, I say all of them are at stake. Now when the dinner watch on Facebook or me who need to put them about. Stephen Ketu. Also, I say it's the wife's fault. Joseph Ni Anan. I say it's the sister's fault because she could at least push him away since she doesn't want to talk to him. And now Boachi Joseph said this one the Pope must hear this. Nasab said in as much as I don't blame the husband entirely, he should still have seen the difference in touch. Scent, any day can come. Even dogs recognize their owners by their scent. But the twin sister didn't do well at all. She knew everything right from when the husband started. Audition would need now my question said the twin sister has not enjoyed it for a long time and she wanted some. She could have said something no matter what. Okay. Yeah, trust me anymore. Andrew K. E.K. Sessa. Also, I say the excuse that the twin sister gave is invalid and unacceptable. But in all, the wife is the prime suspect and should be blamed. Yes, in critical thinking, the wife is what we call the causal agent. My school, critical thinking. That class. Oh, Charlie. Christiana Ama, I say in some way too, the twin sister didn't try at all. Why didn't she push the man away? Because the thing be like it is sweet. Through the Efia mouse, he said, "Oh no." Like, I mean, why should you allow your twin sister to sleep on your matrimonial bed? Why? Debbie, please, it's the husband's fault. You for know the difference between borehole and manhole. It's a legendary thing. Hey, brass, the only you cried, I mean, can't be ready as you. They can moko Instagram. I'm being at Jerry Justice on Instagram. Story it down. Okay, yeah. Again, no sort of panos after the action. Okay, yeah. Now, was I drink share there to us. I was here. Obasima Achediano, yeah, the bros is here. But before we do that, let me just bring the sound down. I mean, can't say we show. Minim. So why realize it? Just when you get your hustle on, now one obegadaska kakrebino. A one other set of problems. Nothing you show up. Nothing never. Hey. Ubewu na bibia say ebia na rent bi kura so obekɔhwɛ na yatoto enema ni ade kyɛ sika kakra ba nsɛm no ɛho nsɔhwɛ bebre etida bia na unya cash foforo e dey sort out enema life one kasa edu ba bia to me say no you no balance well no you no balance every day bia na fresh set of problems aba dia hadwe wom kura say okoye family man ajo enya better but fortunately, there is 590 mobile. Yes, 590 mobile. For all problems that money can't solve, that one day, I am sorry, you are on your own. But for all other problems, money bet me solve our problem in there. Any Joe, you are well sorted out. And once you you phones here and dial star 959 hash to play 590 mobile lotto on your mobile phone right now, because there are numbers everywhere. Osha or wristwatch no so cry time ya boya and you say what mistake. O mobile phone numbers no crowd mistake. Uchom ka bia say bia ka pim bia what mistake. Just say there are numbers everywhere. Twitwabi. Na betimi anya ska. Ama de atene ne ma kakra ne ade na kromo ahye. What I say? Na onso o atimi ato. Problems there, you know the end. But say cash no on kwa there, which me sort out. Not to say bibia ako on the low at the amount. So just go on and dial star 959 hash or visit 590mobile.com.gh to play your too sure direct. And now pem mo say mo we munimu near there. 590 mobile. A down some utilize them. Na bibia ko yima. Simple and Titia. Abusia, the Rich Choco National Essay Competition and also a basso den. Na SSA Utimiche na Obwa Mano na Omodium Eshimbi. Esan say cash your PM. One day me pachi. Obabi nyane share of 100,000 Ghana cedis cash prize and of educational suppliers. Ninano and it's all better essay. Name me so you be a war a upper primary and now say junior high and now senior high. So what I say now all Ghana ha. O babetro essay. Na mpatro essay na babetro no. Any otro essay wabra or address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now was stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. And when you as I say a wow handwriting. Now what we know. O parents and now say o guardian and now o class teacher I endorse yama. Now I attach it either 10 empty packs of rich choco 20 grams and now 1 empty pack of 500 gram rich choco and now 1 empty pack of 1 kg rich choco. So what I say now they account a year or letter no home. Now fe what drop your entry no Accra Central Post Office, Adenta Post Office, Achimota Post Office, Malcolm Outlet, Accra Central, Adabraka, Afe, Malcolm Plus, North Industrial Area, Damsuman, Spinktest, Madina, Tema, Ashaman, Achimota, Kissiman, East Legon, Abeka, Wager, Ashoman, Frafraha, and Afe, Afenia. Kaise entries no so betimia meli to the Rich Choco National Essay Competition, PO Box AF 851 Adenta Accra. Na kai shen so say SSO you will be our upper primary, junior high, and I say senior high. Closing date for submission of entries 30th September 2021. Unya chichi mu ekwa chichi dem dia ma we a. E pacho ko Cadbury Richoko on my Facebook and our Instagram pages no okoha details ni now terms and conditions apply. Na bibia so etimi akoyie ede amount. Nyame ya adom a kwasie da ya edi animu a ebai mo kasa ye de dwumadie ne bro 3 p.m. sharp. Na dwumadie no ebefi eye Tamas Kitchen Wotema Community 2 ene ye de abro radio no so host no eye Mike 2 Baby ene Pokuya 101 ena ede brewo nti de ekosu kromu ni ade a kokonsanko a ni na ombe ede be hwehwe so ane ade a sponsors no eye Joy Industries, Amelina Children's Haven, Apumdin Herbal Center, Jehovah is My Friend Restaurant, Afe Awinbora Spicy Kebab, almost touch it na side attraction or say there's going to be lots of souvenirs and you know the better charm for and things when you have the opportunity to meet you know celebs be maybe people Medina cinema treat pictures near the animal bob on you know what I'm saying not just a more kasana na more kasa kwa more kasa is powered by Pukria 101 concept tiana no so washe no so sa abusua baby ayedue achede galo maybe che wachede we eye obasima achede so get ready so be frame na maybe so simple questions efa obasima seal ehon na utimi ebo homoden a wonso watimi age wachede na ode akọ na enei yewo eye the director business development services Edema Association of Ghana Industries AGI in the person of Mr. Johnson Opoku Boateng ewa ha ya che so omusu dwumadi omudi mu akotene pa ti ya bema na kwa ba ne di nkomo akra na fi wi a ya activate phone lines no na manfo afre ne ahwe modern ba omo ebobo eja Boateng good evening na pom to saying
nyame adom
ye da nyame ase na nyame nhira mo so ene madwen pa asem bo asa manfo mpomuden ho sem no betimi akoyie omo di nuane papa ya ene 18 essential vitamins and minerals yi ewo mu but de di kan e ban se na AGI modem ho bo eye FDA na mo ye se mo sanshi ebeba
Jeremy that say wa wonim se eye ya fa bibi hidden hunger say wadidi na wafu aye dohwe no nche se wame no che se enwani bi wo ho a ese se ewo aduane bia mu na emama yenya apomuden ni etimi enyi sania se yenyi empen bebre no ya na sa enwani nroyi eni nduane a yedinim esan se ne obroni ka se balance diet no yenya ne sa bi o wenya gari bi o de makobi ahwe aguso na aja wadi ahye ne fuma na wa no muso aguso ntina enwani nroyi se manipa no enyi ne ni ho nti ya ka se wa trope aha enti AGI ehun se ye esan se ye da eye infidin nyuma anno ewo Ghana ha nyina yi no ye ne ye nkrofo a omoye sa nnuani ebeka aboa no na ya hwese na ebetima ye nnuani a nnuani ndo ya hyemu ma na etimi aboa ma apomuden aba na chese ye hwe emma titru a omo edu omo mfie so base unim se bosumi bia ya kind of menses no there bia bosumi bia omo menses no moja betu om ne ade enti no ema ahoden ehede ni omu papa so mo anya aduane papa ni a enti ye hwe eno ne ye hwe mo franso a omo hia aduane so mo tuam de kakoba omo a omo kwa fom ne ade ese yetiminya nnuane ndroi bi ehye aduane mu na ebono be na etimi ebom no omo timi enyiye enu na ema AGI ehu enya nisuade huni na ye ne Ghana Standards Authority ye kan yetipam ho na ye kopɛ nkrofobia omo nso yasen enti o hwa GIZ omo di mu akotin pa in fact obasima ne tosu mienu ya ye chade phase 2 phase 1 na sha se be 2015 ho 2017 edi phase 2 no share so enti GIZ for so yasen na Bill and Melinda Gates Bill Gates ne yere omo foundation no so be so yasen na Sight and Life omo ye organization bi omo share DSM as DSM for no omo na ye omo ye sa nnuani nroyi edeba enti omo supply ye companies ni bebre enti ye ne omo nyina ka boa no na ye de sa obasima yi jumadi ehyehyɛ.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Now yenhwe enti benefits ben no sa na omanfo enya wum se wadi kan yi said the baby kran ka de o kan e kran goes asam na kan mu odu pa say wabo afuru man so na ekomde wo serious pa but yenhwe benefits foods are wo obasima seal no yenya bi ne edi a ebetimi enya de afiri mu
ne di nkan ye ko Ghana fana nyina ne yen krofo mu ye nnuane no ekakasaye Jedent Agro Processing omo wo sunyan buno Praise Export for wo pukwasi heya Oxy Industries for so wo tema na Mass Industries so wo tema nto omo enyo ye omutimi on so obeye obasima aduane no so a se bebia wo ye aduane no hote wahu na your friend Food and Drugs Authority omo hihye nyina na se udi so it is one timi and disusana yentimi no and yes edumane sa company say am bom din omutimi passe sa ne amanyina ene ene omo ebobo course na vitamins obasima 18 na ye ka no eye enwanindro makomako dumwotwe na akanka semu no enwanindro no ye ni vitamins ne minerals no yentimi nchem obroni betichemu ye de ka no enwanindro ya bom enti ye ka minerals na ya fan say calcium eboa ema wo sen ne onompemu eyeden so magnesium eboa ye fe bi metabolic system nti wo nipadua no udidi ko yema eya na chemical reactions bi ekoso ema nipadua ni timi twen aduane a aduane nu wo aduane a wadi mu eko nipadua ni mu ma nipa ni timi nyin na ani bi nso na utimi di adwuma se na wo ha wo bokasa yi ni hina ka wo na ne enye no na sebe waja na no abesenko nti magnesium boa iron eboa ewo moja eya nam yemu yi say be moja no emu be den se na moja no be ba mo no iron eboa potassium ye was zinc ye was chlorine ye was phosphorus ye was copper ye was sodium ye was beryllium ni nyina ye minerals and ye ba vitamins no so ye vitamin A ma udi a wani say vision uhu ade ye vitamin B vitamin C vitamin D E and vitamin K in the vitamin K say no say on say I second shower na moja 2 say vitamin K no ewo fema eya na moja no intimi ntwa nti one you bleed to death nti the vitamin K ashe 18 ka 18 nti when you born be e dey ashe nnuane a your friend Obasima foods no mu asay be ya beboa ama ye ho atoye na enya pomden. Great.
Me next question be ni around ni up na ma 40 me friend but anomopa mutu no na fe sa reward ya modia because ehwe niam over 100 chest freezers ne mu food processors ne microwave ovens ne food products amode actually endorse ban say na mo say mo be reward o man for sa kwan so
Jerry say ye kan enwanindro ho asema ana ye kan nutrition ho asema ya na ye ebinmu enhyeda ntiase enti Obasima fasa kwanya so ye bebo hu dawru na nkrofo hu say food fortification and as say dey enwanindro ebe no yade eye papa ye companies ni bebre wo ha Nestle nom ni Unilever no nnuane omo ye nyina no omo de bi esisem and na Obasima so aka say ye say dey ehye nnuane a ne bon shedan yedin say be obia betimi atobi enu nti ye bohu dawro na nkrofo hu say Obasima nnuane no eye nnuane a apomdingum na ye bohu dawro so say seal no ase ayi kukruwa bia oba bia oye ase akokosa de elo ne nsa ebuwe ne semsa nti hu sa seal ne pe na atwe adua ba so say aduani ewo nuani ndo 18 no ma media ebeboa me nti ye bohu dawro ni amankrofo so hu say aduani bia ubedi bia no say nuani ndo o hwe say nuani ndo ewo eto bi o ye kwakoto aduani kwa ye nhwe chense no ho hwe say then the woman na say then nim nti we nyina ka ho nti na ya boaboa no nti ye won kan ye ba ko kumase ye bi so otakrade na ya fasa kwanya no so ama dawro no akoga na afane ye Adom FM de mu obabia nti ye ka say obia ete ewa amano ne kwa ne ade se be obehu say efa so wo nnuane do ho na mu hu Obasima nnuane no so a na omotimia atobi.
Okay, finally after we know ede biem na obi be say na ehye pipeline mu a say Ghana for hwe enim kwan efimu nchen
yo answer me kwan no so no ye won nnuane ma membo boss bi so
okay
yaden
anyway the obe mom fill up wo mo e be fra bo
inti yaden agro processing for na ema ye Tom Vita X Tom Vita X and Tom Vita regular omo mu ye 2 ba ko essence de na aya blue bi and ba ko ne de na yellow Tom Vita X and Tom Vita regular
na no say na nka me ye yi na me ye say me be no ba ko bi na ka ma prepare na why na me hwe no so say you just add hot water it happen na me dum ja na me use yi na me di tea so ka me di gu so ade na set come on so pa
enti omo no mo ye Tom Vita X and Tom Vita Vita regular, very good nutritious food. Unyani so. So now man yes very. Now they are cannot say no.
Just warm water.
No. And praise export. Omo more cash one. Omo my Dunu Tom Brown. Dunu Tom Brown. Into share Dunu Tom Brown. Who abo say obasima chance to dey no ebo so. Na Oxy Industries. Omo ye Gary Mix. Baako ye blue na baako so cap.
Baako ma ye cap na omo aside the spoon crash mu amona de no hwe nso gu ho ara no na ko ani na
Gary Mix sachet and Gary Mix cup. And the last one no Mass Industries. Omo Lola biscuit. Lola biscuit. And no biscuit here it say peck no musa biscuit into and on your bo ashim into your watching so there no ho pe na just say and one no na obisa say if you han ye ko hen ye bo de when you go so e ka kire ankwankwan nyuma emfini nyuma mo ye products bi say Tom Brown ne keke ka ho no obehu AGI na behu Association of Ghana Industries ne be say be hwe wo nyumanim ya hwe say hote FDA fo aba be hwe ho ne ade na fe ye what they call product development na e dia ma na wa ba be ka ye ho na so aduane no so ye de sa obasima 18 ni bi e dia ba be shi nti ye bom ho pa say by next year next 2 years na de na ye fi 6 products here ye we na ye more than that say ye wo Tom Vita X, Tom Vita regular, Dunu, Nese Miensano, no, Gary Mix and Gary Cap, no, na Yenum, and a Lola biscuit. Premium foods for Kumase, Oma de Baku Biba, can you find a love it? And no Yambai, and no Yambai. Inti, Jumedia, ye, near Kainsuno, and Crankra Muti, and answer Omo investors near there. A year and Maho Ding, Apomudin, and name of Rapomudin, who here, Omumra Association of Ghana Industries. No money, and make Cambum, near Chesse. Nutrition apomudin a efi aduane a yedi mu no ebe kosoro no ye o ma wa too na o ma ba be kan ye ho.
All right abusia ye beda yewra boaten ase na fe ya activate phone lines no straight up na ya hwe omo ene omtibetimi ayeye na omo enya achede ebi ede akofi nti wofra bills be yi ayini ma me ha na fe ye friend no to aso nti wofra pa am ye hunu din baby a free na fe questions no me dey atata we are very simple questions now most of the answers no cry Mr. Boaten bobo ni na so cry dey amamu dada nti we no wo ba na betuto papa so dey na just say one na onye ready say wo pa chede ndi akofi na ye nye sharp na we na Friday oji achidi usaka sana weekend na o de amount I just say how bia eni achiri nti yen sana yemungum sisia. Numbers to call is 0302 216 561 and a fee 0302 216 568 na onso wetimi aba dwumadie so na yatoto ano kakra omodin bono se de medical aka no enne be kire se ubetimi enya achedie ni bi akofie ana untimi nya bi nkofia eno de eno asem eno no. Great. Ebeshe na yafa mama me pen why na I am my demarkings ni bi wa na yes ah na ye ina dia na ye trust me ko tie for mo betimi afre free sabre ko ya no numbers no na me de atuga no na fi yanko enum da 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 na yento aso enko yenim. First caller, hello, good evening.
Good evening, Roger.
Yes, my dear Patrick from saying
Juliana Sampa.
Julie, why a crowd there?
Patrick.
Great. Julie?
Yeah.
What time no shasi tea said that I make an oceana unhuswa. No, I can say me moving on to the next one. Why?
Patrick.
So your time starts now.
Okay.
Pacho, how many minerals and vitamins and a war of Basima foods emu?
Pacho 18.
Now, how many products and a one market CCR or Basima seal ever home?
Pacho 6.
Now, female celebrity bang and a or Basima advert no so.
Pacho.
Me pacho mame one Tom Brown product I want Obasima seal ne ewo ho.
Pacho Tom Vita.
Mepacho mame one biscuit. I know so a war of basima seal our home.
Mpachola biscuit.
Okay. Yada wase say onso de ho ehye guti koswana eti obete fans no de obama mi uni mu mode bonne. Okay, but you be fan next call and see Okay. Your fan next caller.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Your phone saying?
The family Lydia Dakwa.
Lydia Dakwa.
Yes, please.
Why crado? Lydia, our time, the shot says is here.
Okay.
Mame, one biscuit product. I want Obasima Siro.
Lala biscuit.
Obasima food no a boosty SIS strengthen immune system and no crown and no credit. Obasima food no and yeah good for children and no credit and then no credit.
And no credit.
Me pacho mame the colors of the Obasima logo.
Yellow and green.
Mame one vitamin and a mineral a war Obasima food emu.
Vitamin A. Vitamin C.
Okay.
Vitamin A. Vitamin C. Vitamin B12.
Oh, sister. Now time how they come baby na san come to me be next question. Me say mame one. I feel now also mame less. Me pacho here all time. Hello. Your next caller. Hello.
Hello, Roger. Good evening.
Good evening. Pacho, your first saying.
Macha Medichinwa Kudia Martin.
Chinibwa Kudia Martin.
Macha.
Udini heavy. Chinibwa, why ready?
Macha, my ready for.
And then now Obrene Shah says is here. What is the slogan for Obasima?
Stay strong, stay healthy.
Pacho, institutions bang and I endorse Obasima Zero.
That's your next question.
Mommy, 3 essential minerals and vitamins are a what Obasima foods in Emu.
Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium.
Okay, mommy, one benefit of the Obasima food.
One benefit. That's your next question.
Hey, Sunny Gary mix and a fake coffee gammix. The way and a what Obasima
Sunny Gary mix.
What's it?
Sunny Gary mix.
Okay, you. Yeah, that's it. It's Koswani tea now, so Obeti and can't. Why?
That's it.
You better find next caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Sister Patrick from saying.
Patrick from Eunice.
Sister Eunice.
Patrick.
Bibia Boko there.
Nyame Adom. Now so.
Adom ni ti me here. Me Patrick, what time no shall say is here. Why?
Patrick you.
Obasima foods no ensure better birth outcomes and no crown and no credit. Me pacho male celebrity ben and a Obasima advert no emu.
Pacho Clemento Suarez.
Mame, the colors of the Obasima logo.
Green and yellow.
Me pacho slogan for Obasima then.
Stay healthy, stay strong.
Institutions ben and a endorse the Obasima seal no.
Association of Ghana Industries and Food and Drugs Board Authority.
Mame, one benefit of the Obasima food.
One benefit. Our magazine, folic acid, so
me patro, me say benefit.
Would you have been
okay. Oh yeah. It goes sweaty and Abeti and Kawa Miniaba.
Actually, you Matthew.
All right. So my next caller already. I'm putting it through now. Yeni ono so ntoa so na yen hwe the ono so betimi aye. Hello. Good evening.
And
then I say man I more me man I say mate. Anyway, your friend saying
Ophelia Dodu Tego.
Ophelia Dodu Tego. Ofi? About your time ne sha say here why? Now, how many minerals and vitamins and what Obasima food no more?
18 minerals and vitamins.
how many products are currently on market are Obasima Sino Ewo?
That's 6.
Me pacho a female celebrity ben and na owo Obasima advert no emu.
That is all.
Mame, one Tom Brown product Obasima Sino Ewo.
Tom Vita egg.
Okay. Mame, one biscuit product I know so Obasima Sino Ewo.
Lola biscuit.
Obasima food no a boost to strength oh there be Tobazi. Oh there me still maybe our time now so it was on the we into the tea about answer. Me say Obasima food no a boost to strength and the of the immune system and no cry na no cry. Okay.
Hello.
Me patro yeah o time now so that it no cause we ti obeti enka why. Good. I feel for your last caller. Na yenhwe the last caller no so betimi aye. Na ye de na bewe. Shen so say every Tuesday and Friday any day Obasima chede bro. E wo OfieKwanso dwumedie eso. Nti ana wa shen so sa de am. But your last caller na ready ana. Why ready am mfa ntum na fi. Ye ne sorry so. Na ye ne mboabo e ho na including weekend. Hello. Good evening. Boss, what to say? Na your first saying.
But I friend
Emmanuel Boatin. Me pacho. Ima. O time no share says is here, why? Me pacho male celebrity bang and a war Obasima. Okay. Obasima foods no ensure better birth outcomes and no crown and no credit. Sunny Gary mix, afe Kovi Gamix. Emu de wen and a Obasima si no.
Sunny Gary mix.
Okay. Mame, one benefit of Obasima foods.
A boost immune system.
Okay. Mame, 3 essential vitamins and minerals. I want Obasima foods no more.
Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D.
Me pacho institutions mienu ben e na omo endorse Obasima si no.
Association of Ghana Food and Drug Association.
Hey, bra. Ghana Association of Ghana of the Food
and Drug Authority.
And then I do fresh way. And I dey.
And Association of Ghana Industry.
Bibi ame fa wa do. Oh my. I was trying to be for Freddy Abim. Aha, and I yedi AC. Na send them the can yame Adom no the yankwa chair next week Tuesday. You best say in Korea near the Obasima chede na bro. It in patcho mo bomb homo de am be nya chede no. Producers no elmo be kasa na ya mamon sa ka mo chede. That's what it is. They will celebrate here. Me try you be ka create bi na na. Obi a pass on some funny comments bi na me hwad na mistress anam tia nana osay kwabeng on Facebook. Osay Jerry, it was a way to settle the misunderstanding between the wife's sister and the husband. Case closed. Hey Charlie, your head no good.
Hey, come here.
Chubby Justice.
Jadie wo Malcolm aye kese na asanso aye sonko kra.
If we say Malcolm nkwani dwadi bia obenya nyoma mpempem ato fa ko a omre ho kra.
Ene say Malcolm wo efie ne ejade nyoma na edi sesie edam mu.
Furniture ho, electricals, ni aye die, ni aye hye. Eno nti Jadie wo Malcolm aye ndika pa.
Afi kai na hye no so say emra ne hye kakra wo ho.
Malcolm,
where Ghana shops.
Hello, Ajua.
Mom, me panisi opeso be me ho adi o.
Oh, eni jesam kai me na me fa jama soap 15 boxes. Enka enyoma obeto no ho why?
Hey, mom.
She, abri biara obetena se wo si enyoma no. Wonyonko ba ko pa ebema untade efi na aye hwehwehwam. Eni jama soap. Bisa papa.
Na se me hu se down for my waiting your mother.
Hey, some handkerchiefs no. Me facho.
Jama soap. Ebo no nyoma sidia. Ono ani wa problem yonko. Ye de Jama detergent powder for ready. Share the move. FDIG didn't cry to ya to.
I don't know what to get for my mom on her birthday.
I think I need something unique and authentic for the choir this year. Ooh, for me, I want a beautiful African print fabric to be used as souvenirs for my engagement.
Babe, we need to get Dad a new shirt when we visit him this weekend.
For your authentic Woodin fabrics and ready-to-wear outfits made from exclusive designs, visit Woodin retail shops nationwide. Feeling good in Woodin? Make your
delicious rice to satisfy the family. Food lovers rice can give you all you need. Food lovers rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food lovers rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite taste.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence. The morning ina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite guso na mesre a. Eya wanwawa hu. Me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban. E free mwawa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yeti center for.
Me de magic Kale Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ani ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enu nti mo amonum coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA aje edwedin krato ya tomo.
Woman, I see a woman.
Ministry of Communications and Digitalization. Ese yemfa to obi bia nim say 2021 Girls in ICT program Brenna so. Say dwumadie wade be hyehyɛ so wukuada 15 September 2021. Ewo Glistens Park, Seshuri so ewo Western North Mantam no mu. Dwumadie International Telecommunications Union. Eno asasene a wo pese wo boa se be ya emaya betimi ekwadare ewo ICT ni suanim. Emampanimfo atitiru na babepiamu ewo dwumadie na se. Ne senti wa hyase ye training ede ma emaya wodo wo mansini a ewo Oh my Ghana mu. Girls in ICT, connected girls creating brighter futures. Mothers of Africa.
Mommy, my day in your hoarding.
And what's the wafa geisha semina subain? Jina hopinti na ko wenim. Mempaba, cause se wonsa beka weni da swadi nyina.
Matumame, majina painting akomenim, na machapa to say geisha semina.
Be strong and laugh.
Bankratway FD Ajiatu.
Munia, yet to unlimited course with Vodafone Red so no one yana.
Jack, me too no expiry with Vodafone Red.
Hey, star 200 hash me boy. Hey, Matthias here, when you be what
Vodafone Red no lie. Coco have to be top man to you because I call a browser.
Vodafone Red star 200 hash system. Cecilia, ye Casako no near browser. Star 200 hash. Mawi unlimited course called Vodafone to Vodafone so data boomful. Talk time be bria would be friend now for 4 more other network so we and Sado a bonnet da from now we know sika home fast on so Vodafone ready dear we know but star 200 hash no you package ya a yamao a free 1 Ghana cedi aircraft Vodafone. I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why you affordably? What be man paint depot and the door master? Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. And then see for contracted. When you road marking paint. What be man paint depot? Why? Paint to quality biara. Say why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's the 3 months. It's Yankee. See if you want something real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I must stop and see one time. 054 27 45 222. So Accra Kumasi Highway. What be man trouble to
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Yeah. Yeah.
boss market. Then you see me so merry go round. What the sound for me who's a no parking. When I'm in the mood, I'm a quick one. I say, baby, brother, I'm a channel veggie milkshake. She don't wanna give it up to no one. I say, forget it when I was too hate. But I think it's too late. She done lost my mind. Oh, just my time. In girl, I can't see you best side. Oh, be sure, no color. Oh, be sure, no color. Oh, they don't color, not the same. Baby, would you wanna eat mine, dear? I just wanna do it on the seat right there. I think it's not a good idea. And then she be giving me the look like, yeah. El Chapo, Tony Montana. I hear my music, I'm a one Ghana. Still, Capo, my Jimmy bandana. Over the Nekuta, when the Wunya can come, we are the China, come a bowl like soup dada. That's right. Come on, the rapping pump cover. If you that's a woman, go to Swashada.
Good evening, sir. Hope you are good. Please wish my little baby girl a happy, glorious birthday. Her name is Jaden Eduzi Awo Shika Akpalu. She's a year old today. My wish for her is God's blessings. Now let me pull this one back for one good friend of mine, Mr. Andronic. Yeah. Oh, Tama. Bossu, good evening going out to you. This one here is to wish you a lovely weekend. And to also say a very big thank you to you. I did check you, Dread. Andronic, God bless you, Bossu.
When I'm in the mood, I'm a quick one. I say, baby, brother, I'm a channel veggie milkshake. She don't wanna give it up to no one. I say, forget it when I was too late. But I think it's too late. Adom FM. Just my time. In girl, I can't see you best side. Oh, be sure, no color. Oh, be sure, no color. I just wanna do it on the seat right there. I think it's not a good idea. And then she be giving me the look like that. El Chapo, Tony Montana. I hear my music, I'm a one Ghana. Still, Capo, my Jimmy bandana.
Okay, now Fridays BBA Timisi. Mommy Boat. What's up, baby?
Oh, I'm good, baby.
Nice.
I'm good, baby.
Yes, let's do something quick now. Really? Open me energy, no. Okay.
Friday.
Where's what energy?
On the hitting.
Oh, me point, me koda. I just did go bed. I'm saying. In the meantime, big shout out going out to Joshua and Baba. More Obina. Okay. Obina Wale. Hey, Obina Wale Saloon. Accra. Shouts going out to you. Joshua. One Barbara Moe, Obina Wale Saloon in Accra, yeah. From Jamestown, Jeko. Charlie, so what's cooking? Then, what's happening in town? I'm born in town, and then I have some way.
Why a weekend,
yeah.
But Mama, you need to for Zarkodo. Now, when you're one download the beat. Oh, yeah, when the share,
yeah.
We release a single.
Okay.
On your uncle saying, Mr. Drew.
Mr. Drew, too, is out. What is it? Alpha, right? Yeah.
But when the share name you know also heat but brother we know some no I am down into no minya and keba kakra na as our hen because I know some Americano very 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 interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, abrabum some you every day some recordo chroma papa heat into brother we may take kakra.
Okay, so let's listen to Wendy, right? Na yeah said the need any sequel. So new joint for my girl Wendy Shea. And you can check out the video. our Facebook page was this year. Promotion hits. What's your radio on the screen now? Now watch your video no. Our Facebook page or Adom 106.3 FM. Charlie, when did you ask someone?
You're quadrille. Brother,
when did you ask them?
You're quadrille.
When did you ask them?
No questioning, you know.
Maybe.
Or the new age will be a common man.
It be like,
brother Samiko.
Yeah.
And then don't know when the share or children but say you shall be a bit say weekend as a papa when the shares the heat the man of Mr. Drew was alpha one was nana one stream not when you skaka conference on but very very necessary.
Definitely.
Now, when you were Kenya to fast some Maminka Kiddy. Kiddy was in Nairobi, now Kenya.
Yeah.
Now, when you have some Bergery, now, funny be bombers now full stage.
And that lady, why? Then you won't make love to him on the stage or what?
Hey,
fancy this way,
no, Nairobi makes up for who has done. Sister Mudimpe. Roger, you're easy. Now, I the video that don't tower. You who the video no about
more who saw video no bet me.
Adom FM.
Charlie, it was crazy.
Because the rabbi no has no power.
Yeah. So the auction na. This one, excuse my French, but let me say it as it is. Oh, what to Pangu? Kiddy, oh, shut up. Who's that? Oh, Bunafina, I'm a kiddie craft. Why helpless?
Now, Ima, opposite to the page, the rest there, okay, bend over.
Oh, yeah, shut up. And no, I want to know what to follow.
He's way over, Papa. Now, more sorry, don't know, Mamma Kofi Kinata,
okay, yeah, the Kofi Kinata, the Enbetos, but this one is a special one for you, so I can't just let it slip. Emmanuel Okechuku on Facebook says, please, Brajay, tell Mommy Bo that I want to marry her.
Back door.
All right, so Yanko Kinata and so on. Okay, all right.
All right, come in, mix your juice, mix your lamp. Who the break food, don't go lamp. Shadi is food, will you come up with the breakthrough? Now let my mother boss. What's your coat? One moment time. Shadi, when you low, my son and high.
The patron Monsha video no on Facebook. Kinata Nimu Pants and no could be Kinata. Where you throw back? Charlie, you may Kinata na pantan pa. This one God do all.
Shout outs to you. Okay. All right. The president for the Brothers and Sisters Association.
All right. Yeah, that's it. So that was filler Friday's edition. The idea brown na Adaroma. Omo adani den nyina omo eboaye ma yetimi edisa nkomo yi no. Vodafone. Yes, Vodafone. And nkomo kakre o say ene Vodafone abomoden a etimi akofa good morning offer. Ediaba. Now the good morning offer no amount unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, and then 500 MB of data. Yeah, no, so they count. And the good news is it works on any other bundle you will have or will subscribe to. When it just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can, and that's what it is. Hey, Boko. Hey. Yo. Oba Hema Kisdale. I see Jerry, please. Happy birthday wish, Uncle Mommy, Mommy. Yes, my mom, Grace Aziakpa. Happy birthday in advance to her. From Adom, Deborah. Itiafe Udinde Adom, Deborah na. Oba Hema Kisdale. The social media bayamo. Piaga says, Jerry, I am watching you. Yeah. Obede twen oberap but enum no han na me depa to was making promises say work akran sama can promise shasi me say shasi foforo
Jame hono Hona me hose ma me ya me dono Ube to me pana me dade ma me do ma fa me hoko na me nchanka nyoma me bono ma me ya koye malumu dada me si me ni ne jai e ya lumu kasa odo ne ba ne sa na bia na yomu na sakeke e wo se wo ka ne hia sa na kuku dada be hwe me go zongola si me timi ni bi obi fra ne ma me na me nche ni bibi ma fi se ne ya wo fra me shuti ma me ya bo mo me da me nche na me bi nsem se ne taisi brother wo do ku me si na me swati me pese ni bia be hu me. That's right. That's right. So me pese bia wo be fu me da me nche na me pow drop
Press Lab Watcher on Facebook says, Jerry, please wish my handsome not there, handsome prince a happy birthday for me. That's Nana Kojo Owusu Boache George in Accra. From all the family in Ghana, UK, France, and Italy. Watching you live from Paris. That's what it is. You'll find you here. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's checkout time already. That's right, y'all. Time to check out of here and make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. night. It's been great. It's been wonderful being with you throughout the week. I thank so for bringing us this far. You know what I'm saying? Yamin Shamuna. Now the on command team, no. Papa Bills, African, Jamestown, Jaco. Kwame Obadi, I see you. Now say I'm for J, I see you. Obri Abo friend and friend. Kobe Stone or Command Craft. Mommy Boats. Many thanks to all of you. I was your friend Jerry Justice. As always, assembly about Coupe. Wish you on you and watch Yano. Now watch Riachino. It's a serious Nipa and Seshi. Thanks so much for your time with us. Do have a great evening and a great weekend as well. We are over here.